How to change YouTube font size on laptop or PC. First, open YouTube in your browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now, if you want to increase or decrease the font size, simply use your keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in and increase the size of everything on YouTube, including text and thumbnails. Press Ctrl and minus to zoom out and make everything smaller. And if you want to reset it back to normal, press Ctrl plus 0. Another way is to use browser settings. Click on the three dots menu in the top right corner of your browser, then find the zoom option. From here, you can increase or decrease the zoom level manually. That's it. Now you can easily change YouTube font size or page size on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.